This is a tech demo for the beta for Whisteo where it is right now with the chroma keying. Right now we are mirroring my actual iPhone. This is not the simulator. This is an actual hardware device that we're using our server to cap the screenshot. I'm going to launch Whisteo, the beta, right now for the first time. We have single sign-on through Facebook at this time. I'm going to log in. Oh, there's my face. I'm going to switch it around. So right now what it's doing is it's basically chroma keying off the black. And so I'm going to point it at this yellow card right now, pick up the yellow. And right now it's chroma keying off this yellow card. And I have a whole bunch of swatches right now just to kind of experiment with capturing the color and chroma keying off of the various swatches. So right now I'm going to grab a color, and I do that by long pressing on the screen. So I hold down on the screen and it's able to capture any color that is inside of the OpenGL buffer. So with this green, I capture that. Now, maybe I want to decrease the intensity of the capture, and by swiping down I can decrease the intensity. In other words, kind of home in on that specific green color. So right now maybe I can choose a different background image instead of the star field. So I'm going to grab this right now, which is basically just like a beach scene. So if I cap off this black, I see this beach scene, and if I thumb down, it's going to get more and more and more tolerant, less and less tolerant, until finally I have basically this beach scene with just very minimal transparency. So I'm going to, instead of capturing off of my desk right now, I'm going to capture off of another one of these swatches, maybe this orange. And right now, as you can see, it's green screening off of the, well, not green screening, chroma keying off of this swatch here, and it's I could either increase or decrease the intensity. As you can see, as I am decreasing the tolerance, the logo from the swatch is starting to show. It's just a really slight difference in color from the swatch itself, and as I swipe down, the logo comes in clearer until finally it's just because it's a glossy swatch, it's getting really fuzzy like that. If I swipe up, I got a much better key off of this particular swatch. Again, I can look at my swatches and grab maybe another color. So again, I'm going to hold down. I'm going to do what's called a long press, hold down, and capture the green. And there we have, because it's glossy, it's going to not be very tolerant with that chroma. So I'm going to thumb up, swipe up, and as you can see, it's becoming a lot easier to kind of get that chroma. So I wanted it to make it kind of somewhat user-friendly and not have a whole bunch of dials and whatnot, and because it's supposed to be for a younger demographic, so I'm trying to do as many gestures as I can interacting with the controls for this. Here we've got a pink, so we're going to decrease the tolerance again. We can home in on that particular swatch. So those are the swatches, and maybe I can just kind of go in one by one, pick them out. See, home in on that particular red. Maybe pick one of these, this blue right here. Grab that color there. Increase or decrease. It's yellow. And there we have it. So just doing a long press, capturing the color, and then swiping up and down to increase or decrease the tolerance of that particular color swatch. And oh, of course, if we want to, we can record this. So if I have a swatch that I like, and I record it, can record, blah, 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 record, and there we go. We now have our recording that we could play back. Didn't really do anything exciting there, but that's possible. And then when we want to share it, we can hit share, and of course share is going to be populated with a whole bunch of different choices for where to share to. And there you have it.